Are you ready to open a bank account? We will actually love. With N26, you can manage your money easily right from your phone and open an account in just few minutes. Here's how it works. First, hit the sign up button and enter your personal details in fast and simple. No paperwork required. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Just have your ID handy since N26 does not have branches. This is all done directly in the app. Once your identity is verified, you're all set to add your virtual debit card to your wallet. It's ready to use immediately, and that's it. You can now top up your account and start using your virtual card right away. What's even better? N26 combines everyday banking and investing in one app. You can manage your money and your stock portfolio. No need another app. With a N26 standard account, you get all of this for free with no commissions. Plus, enjoy features like N26 Insights for better control over your finances and push notifications for every transactions. And the best part, N26 is a fully licensed German bank. Your funds are protected up to 100,000 euro by the German Deposit Protection Scheme. And that's not all. Your security is top notch. So why wait? Open your N26 account today and experience banking made easy. Thanks for watching.